Hey, it's Giuseppe with Hallmark Mortgage. I hope you're doing great. Today I want to bring you a strategy that can help as this market is beginning to shift. We're starting to see price reductions on listings. So kind of the common thing to do is just to look at a price reduction and the buyer pays less and everyone's happy. There's a better strategy that I think is a win-win for both buyer and seller. And so if we take it this hypothetical example here at $450,000 purchase price, 5% down with mortgage insurance. If we just do a $10,000 price reduction, the seller does a price reduction, of course, they're netting $10,000 less. To the buyer, it's only about a $50 payment difference. So while that's significant, there's a better way to entice both parties to move forward. That $50 payment difference also comes with a $500 reduction in down payment. Again, pretty minimal in the big scheme of things. How about instead of a price reduction of $10,000, the seller offers a $10,000 credit towards the buyer's closing cost? That lender can then use that money to buy down the interest rate, probably between 0.5% and 0.75%, depending on the market that day. And so what that does is it changes the savings for the buyer in their mind from $50 a month to over $150 a month. To generate those kind of monthly savings for the buyer, the seller would actually have to reduce the price, not by $10,000, but by over $30,000. So this is a good strategy to help keep prices higher in the neighborhoods and the payment much lower for the buyer. Using seller buy down strategies like this can also be very useful for buyers. If you're going to make an offer on a listing that's been sitting for a while, instead of just offering less, why not negotiate a big seller credit like that so that you can get maybe your closing costs covered? Maybe we can even buy out the mortgage insurance. So instead of saving $150 a month, maybe you're saving $200 or $250 a month. That's like going to increase your purchasing power by $40,000 to $50,000 depending on the loan program. So very enticing to a buyer. And again, nets the seller more money, the same as if they would have just done a small price reduction. If you have any questions, give me a call. I'm always glad to help. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.